What is biodynamics? I'm Janan Derso, and we're going to talk about it. Biodynamics is a holistic, ecological, and ethical approach to farming that marries science with the spirit in nature and accepts that science and spirit are not in conflict, but rather harmony. Biodynamics is a way to interact with constellations, planets, and most significantly, the Earth's moon, and observe how the celestial bodies profoundly affect life on Earth. It's a method of farming that connects the spirit of nature to the spirit of humans. And I have found through biodynamic gardening that your soul connects to the cosmos as you pay attention to these constellations that the moon goes through. The biodynamic calendar is a way to track time. So join me in these videos to demystify biodynamics. They don't want you to know how optimal it is for your garden, your harvest, and your soul. And if you've heard of a biodynamic calendar, you typically think of it for farms, but it's not just for farmers. So I invite you to take biodynamic farming principles off the field and into your soul, your home, and your projects. Because if the position of the stars affect how plants grow, then consider how these same energies enhance your daily being. Not only can this orientation help you manage your day, it can even expand time. So if you've ever felt like you're swimming against the current and just getting the mundane of daily life done, or accomplishing long-term goals, that may be because you are literally going against the flow when not attuned to the greater context that affects all life on Earth. I guide you through how to harmonize with cosmically positioned elements that energize tasks as well as support the remembrance and fulfillment of purpose. Simply put, I show you a day to day way to track what's going on in the universe and apply it to your daily living. The art of peace and intention, it's found in how you approach your daily tasks. I share tangible steps in an element practice as a daily calendar. So join me in the revolution to reclaim your time and grow with the stars. You can check out the Be Biodynamic app and keep watching my videos to answer your questions on the biodynamic calendar and sidereal astrology. Thank you for subscribing. Peace.